Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Make your foot the foot that counts. Happy New Year. Promise anew. A message in celestial hue. Sirius, the dog star, as it always unfolds. Retell the secrets in the night to be told. Waves traveling across the cosmic blue. Speaks of cosmic unity, a perspective true. From the heart of the universe, it sends its sight, guiding us through each day and night. This star has seen civilizations rise and fall. Witness to the Dogon, who heard its call. Sirius whispers of journeys bright. In its glow, our dreams take flight. A chorus of reminders to stand tall. In truth, we can never stall. From the depths of space beats unbound, of cosmic mysteries and legends found. To step into this year, with warm embrace. Sirius wisdom beaming through space. Radiance glowing, shows multiple pace. Invigorating the journey to discover and recover souls under the night sky's dome. Sirius offers a beacon, a celestial home. Its ancient symbolism, awe-adorned. Its starlight is never uninformed. The tales of the cosmos it does perform. We say with open hearts, ready for the adventures 2024 will impart. In the symphony of cosmic hot wire, fears depart while trust inspires, giving strength to tend the fires. In 2024, under the vast, open sky, we bid 2023, goodbye. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.